Install software. Test call flows. Report errors. Wait for fixes. Reinstall, restart, repeat. This antiquated testing process is a waste of time, leaving you one step behind doing yesterday's upgrades. Get a jump on automated testing with Leap. Leap's automation scans for new call flows and detects issues using AI and machine learning. It continually monitors your network and creates automated tests while keeping you on the latest release. With Leap, you win. You'll always have the latest features and security updates, freeing up time for your team so they can work on new projects, not old ones. Stop bogging yourself down with software upgrades. Automate your network testing and lift off with Leap. One small step for software, one giant leap for your network.